Kaoru, CEO and Development Chief Manager. Welcome to my development demonstration factory. Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I am our CEO and Development Chief Manager. Now we are successful in Sun Energy. Sun Energy is worldwide first. This energy is from cosmos, particle elementary big peak, and happen is a new energy. New energy is a big three. 1 point is no oil. 2 point no CO2. 3 point is no fire. Very safety, very cost down, very easy. Everybody, this energy use is new worldwide development. Let's together new business. You alright? Okay, good.
You are viewing the electromagnetic heating device Phoenix 1. Phoenix 1 uses electromagnetic heating to heat the water and maintain it at the right temperature. Powered by electricity, it is a system that defies conventional wisdom, producing 1,300 kilocalories per 1 kilowatt. Heated water is resistant to cooling. This reduces hot water energy costs by about 1/3. It can also be customized to suit your needs. For inquiries, please use the URL below. Thank you for watching.